Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 2 raised to the power of square root of t, and this equals a power t. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. Now, if you have a to the power of x and this equals b to the power of y, for you to solve an exponential problem like this, ensure that the base and this other base are the same. So how do we achieve that? We need to replace this 8 here in terms of 2. We need to express it in terms of 2, meaning that 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. We have 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2. That means 8 is what? 2 raised to the power of 3. So let's replace the 2 power 3 here. We have 2 power square root of t equals 2 to the power of 3, that is 8. And this is raised to the power of t. Now, if you have a power x raised to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So you can multiply this exponent. That is exactly what we are going to do here. We are going to multiply this exponent. So we have 2 to the power of square root of t equals 2 to the power of 3 times t, that is 13. Now, at this particular point, we can consider this identity. If you have a power c equals a power d, now a and a are the same. That means you can have c equals d. You compare the exponent. So we can say square root of t equals 3t. Now, what we can do again will be to eliminate the square root. And to achieve that, we take the squares of both parts of this equation. Now, when you have square root of t to the power of 2, this cancels this, because this square root simply means square root of t the same as having t power 1 over 2. So, if you raise it to the power of 2, it means t power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2, and 2 times 1 over 2, that is 2 over 2, that is 1. So that will cancel out. That's why you have t. That means we have t here, and this equals, for this, we are going to distribute this exponent to each of the terms here. That means we are simply going to have 3 power 2 times t power 2. So from here, we have t equals 3 power 2, that is 9, times t power 2. And 9 times t power 2, that is 90 squared. So we are going to have t equals 9t squared. So what we are going to do will be to solve this. I can simply copy it out here. I have t equals 9t squared. I can divide this by t and divide this by t. T eliminates t. I have 1 here equals 90 squared divided by t. This will give us 90. So I can rearrange this. I have 90 equals 1. And solving for t, I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. That means I can easily have t equals 1 over 9. This is it, t equals 1 over 9. Now, at this particular point again, I can form a quadratic equation. Look at it here. You have t equals 90 squared. I can move this t over here. I have 0 equals 90 squared. then this becomes minus t. So let's rearrange this. I have 9t squared minus t equals 0. Now, if that is the case, I need to factor out the common term here. And in this case, it is t. So I factor out t, 9t squared divided by t. That is 9t minus t divided by t. That is 1, and this equals 0. So at this point, I can have t equals 0. I can also have 9t minus 1 equals 0. Now, this one is solved already. To solve this other one here, I move this negative 1 over here. I simply have 9 times t equals 1. I can solve for t by dividing this by 9. Divide this by 9. 9 eliminates 9. So I will have my t equals 1 over 9. That is it. Now, in this particular method, we have two values for t, 0 and 1 over 9. While in the first method, we had only one value, which is 1 over 9. We can check. We can decide to check for the values of t. I have t equals 0. I also have t equals 1 over 9. I need to substitute those values here. So this is 2 power square root of t equals a power t. If t is 0, starting with this, that means I'm going to have 2 power square root of 0 equals a to the power of 0. And square root of 0 is 0. I have 2 power 0 equals a power 0. And if that is the case, you need to know that any number or alphabet raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1. And 8 to the power of 0 is 1. This and this are the same. So that means 0 is a valid solution. Let's also check when t equals 1 over 9. So when t equals 1 over 9, I will simply have 2 power square root of t equals a power t, and t equals 1 over 9. So what I'm going to do will be to substitute 1 over 9 for t here. So I'm going to have 2 power square root of 1 over 9 equals a power 1 over 9. Now, if you have square root of a over b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. So I need to apply that here. I will simply have 2 power square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals a power 1 over 9. So from here, let's find square root of 1. That is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So we have 2 power 1 divided by square root of 9 is 3. And this equals 8 power 1 over 9. Now, I can also decide to express it here in terms of 2. That's the power 3. So we'll have 2 to the power of 1 over 3 equals 8 is simply 2 power 3. And this is to the power of 1 over 9. Now, if you have a power x to the power of y equals a power x times y. So that means you are simply going to have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power 3 times 1, 3, and this over 9. So 3 divided 1 divided 9, 3. That means we are simply going to have to power 1 over 3 equals to power 1 over 3. This and this are not the same. So guys, that is it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.